Say hi, Kylo. Kylo. What up, guys? I am in my car. I was rewatching a lot of my videos lately and I started to notice something strange. What the heck is that on my ceiling? A long time ago, I had some sodas in the car. While I was driving, they exploded. I thought I had cleaned it up back then, but I guess it darkened over time. So I'm very, very displeased with that. I don't like this kind of cleaning, I'll be honest. I really don't. I prefer organizing and decluttering, but like scrub cleaning, I'm not a fan of. I'm not gonna wash the outside of my car today. Hopefully I can do that sometime this week. I am taking the little baby to Starbucks because once I clean my car, I don't really want to have little puppy nose wipes on my windows because what would be the point of my efforts? But anyway, let's go get her coffee.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me.
Isn't it so cute how Kylo will eat his puppuccino from the little cup? He knows every time we go to Starbucks, he will sit right in the middle of the center console and just wait very patiently there. So here's what my car looks like. I'm just gonna start you guys off with the trunk. Right now I have a couple of shelves from the Target dollar spot in here. There's lots of fake snow from the holiday season, random candy canes from that gift exchange video, and you know, yeah, this is the trunk. Don't know if you can see that, but that is all the puppy nose wipes. The rest of my car pretty much looks the same. Lots of crumbs, random trash, so I'll have to clear out all that junk first before I scrub away the grime. If you are new here, my name is Carolyn. I am a Ravenclaw vlogger sharing my home renovation journey with you here on YouTube in the hopes that you will be inspired to create your own dream space. When we don't have big projects going on, organizing my home or Baha'i is so zen for me. I also love DIY crafts of all sorts, so if you enjoy those things too, I would love for you to subscribe and join our online family of Wizard DIYers.
Toxic. Somehow you're fine with it, even when I'm chaotic. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do?
As I was clearing out my car, a lot of my neighbors were staring like it was unusual for me to clean the inside of my car on a rainy day. Is that weird? Do you clean your car on a rainy day? No? Just me? Tell me the truth in the comments. It's really pouring out there, guys.
It's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us.
So when I started cleaning the trunk, I realized that a lot of debris got stuck in the spare tire storage. How? I don't know. I haven't even used my spare tire, and I pray that I will not have to. But I tried to take the damn thing out for like 30 minutes, and I kid you not, I kept thinking this thing cannot be that heavy. I was about to give up until Michael showed up just in time. Are you proud of me? I'm finally cleaning my car. Swear that's how you do it. I love you. Haha, I knew it. In case you didn't know either, there's a screw thingy to keep it in place. You learn something new every day. After a quick cleanup, I did put it back all by myself, but I had to flip it over because I put it in backwards first.
I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes. I can take another night with you on like this. So let's go, I'm sure you can take it. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past sleep. Another course that we can fly with the baseline. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you, I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey you.
Okay, finally tackling that nightmare ceiling with lots of OxiClean stain remover. I know this is for laundry, but I use it on all sorts of upholstery and it just smells so good.
He's a vagabond.
Hey guys, it's the next day, but let me show you the ceiling that I attempted to work on because I feel like it just got worse rather than better. Oh, maybe it did get a little better. So the reason why the first scrub session didn't show miracle results is because I was using paper towels and not an actual white towel. Also, if you're using OxiClean, this is a laundry stain remover, so it needs to be rinsed. So grab a spray bottle of hot water and give it a good spritz. It makes all the difference. It will look super dark when it's wet, but it lightens up so much as it dries. Once I was done, I just gave the rest of the car a really good wipe down and hosed off the mats so that I could continue vacuuming the rest of the car before I took it to the car wash. I got a new, what do you call this? What is this?
Phone stand?
Phone holster? Car phone holder? Car mount for my phone! Yes! On our way to the car wash, I got to try out my new phone mount. I love this so much better than the adhesive mounts because they fall out whenever it gets too hot. However, if you're thinking of using this to film B-roll, there is zero stabilization, super bumpy.
Going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like a river goes. Baby, going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you
The one other thing I finally picked up for my car was a cargo liner for all those doggy car rides. I love this one that I got on Amazon. It even has special grips for the bottom and Velcro strips to keep it in place.
I really thought we had it covered.
Alright, what would this video be without a satisfying before and after?
Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby, going down, 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 down. Baby, going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down.
If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. It truly does help out my channel and also lets me know that I should continue making videos like this. Don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell so you can be notified for new videos every week. See you soon, witches. Bye!